Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another video. We're looking at the Python script in here that will actually bring an overview of all of the projects and the number of issues in the statuses within that specific project. It's not generating it in the CSV. It just gives you like a quick overview so you can actually know and have an idea on how many issues you have within a certain project. Now, there was a recent, not really that actual recent, update regarding the deprecation of a certain API within the Jira itself. The good thing is I'm using a different API in here. Well, yeah, let's get into it. Step one. So we're taking all of the projects in here based on this API endpoint. We're actually doing everything and we're getting the data within the JSON itself. So now what is actually going on in here, if something is wrong, then there's going to be an error that's going to say cannot fetch the projects. And it's also going to say how many of the projects have been found. And also it is defining by the key and the name itself. And this is the replacement of the new API. So before it was only with search, but now you're actually using it with the JQL in here. And within that, you're also using the payload, which is basically looking for everything in here. So all of these why? Because it's looping through each project in here. Of course, it's looking for the status in here, and it's looking for the maximum on 1000 issues. Now, if you want this to be more, for example, you can put in here to be like 3000. So now what is actually saying, if something is wrong, there's going to be skipping in here, and also there's going to be the response and what kind of status code we're actually getting. Now also we are having the count status step, where basically it's going through all of the issues in here, and then it's looping through the status names in here. And of course, if everything is right, then we are actually adding and we are incrementing this by 1. So if we actually run our script right here, it's going to say showing, and it found 28 projects, and basically it's going through every single project in here, giving all of the status names and everything else. So if I go, for example, security operations, it has 100 issues in here. I have 6 for them for waiting for approval, open 2, done 42, completed 44, canceled 5, and preventive measures 1. So this, from this I can say, hey, this project is in good shape. And that's really actually something that I need to look on. But for example, platform development, which it also has like 100 issues and that have been found, and basically it's saying here we have in to do 90 of them and in progress 10. So that means this project is stale, and we need to actually take a better look into this. So facilities, for example, resolve 73, which is actually pretty great thing. But as you actually saw how it works, and it's giving you like the overview itself, which is something that is pretty nice. Yeah, I'm just looking for another thing in here. Yeah, okay. So it's limiting to 100 issues. Okay. that is something that you saw from the script itself, which is great. All right, and basically that's everything I wanted to show you, and I will be deploying this script to the Bitbucket repository. Make sure to check it out, and so you can actually use it for your own purposes. That's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See ya.